Hi guys, I'm Shweta, your 3D printing educator, and I hope you have been staying safe, creative, and productive working from home. My home is now a 3D printing firm, as you may see, and since the past couple of months, we have been 3D printing PPE for hospitals and getting them to completion as much as possible. And with your help and support, we can do more and more of it. So I'm very grateful and thankful to be making this video today, where I'll be walking you through the process of creating a 3D printed mask from scratch. So you could print out the shells in different materials, PLA, PT, or there's like special filaments, shiny ones like copper PLA. They're all biodegradable at the end of the day, so no worries. They're reusable. You could just clean them. All you need to change is the filters and anything MERV 13 or higher would work, or HEPA can act as a filter in the mask. This mask is fairly simple and easy to wear. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. For those of you who have access to 3D printers, you can download the files on the link below. For those of you who don't, you can visit our website www.3gcaters.org and buy a mask, or just click on the link to support our campaign. Thank you so much.